Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I'm focusing my spring cleaning on my office and makeup space. So I thought I'd share with you some tips I use when giving these areas a good spring clean. First off, let's start with the office area. Now, if you'd watched my last video, you'll know I'm in the process of doing this room up. So I will be getting a new desk soon, but for now I like to give this area a deep clean first. So that means moving everything off my desk and inside my drawers so that I can really clean everything properly. Now you guys know I love the Clean-Ology Rose and Wild Mint multi-purpose cleaner for these kinds of jobs, as not only does it smell nice, but it works well at removing dust and leaving everything clean and fresh. Next, it's on to decluttering. So this means sorting out all office supplies and assessing if I really need that many paper clips, drawing pins, and goodness knows what else. I always say to myself, has this served its purpose, or do I really need that and use it, and can it just be thrown away or maybe given to someone else? Next, moving on to paperwork. Sometimes this can be overlooked, but it's good to do this task and sort out. And again, I ask myself the same questions as before. Has it served its purpose, and can it be thrown away or shredded? Finally, I move on to the non-physical things. So things like files on your computer, can they be deleted? Do you really need them anymore? Also, don't forget your phone. It's good to tidy up once in a while and just delete any apps that you don't use anymore as well. Last up, we have function. So when I'm putting everything back and tidying away, I think to myself, how can this be sorted better or function better in my workspace? So use anything that helps, including dividers, folders, bins or baskets, to organise your things so that they can work better for you in your day-to-day life. Moving on to my makeup vanity. For this space I work a little differently, and I start with the decluttering process. So going through each drawer and sorting what I haven't used in the last 6 months and what's out of date and can be thrown away. I actually did a whole decluttering series at the start of the year where I decluttered a lot of my makeup and beauty products, so I'll link that down below if you want to go and check that out. So step 2 is deep cleaning. Again, just like my office, I take everything off and give it all a good wipe down. That includes surfaces, objects, storage pots and drawers, just everything and anything, just so it's nice and clean when you put everything back again. Moving on to step 3, which is my least favourite task, but hey, it has to be done, and that is giving my makeup brushes and sponges a good thorough deep clean. So usually about once a week I'll give them a spot clean, and then once a month I will give them a good deep clean. Finally, step 4 is organising and simplifying. So again, it's about function for me with regards to my makeup drawers. So I sort through everything, and I usually store all my makeup in these Muji pots. It really helps me see everything better, and it's just easy to reach. And that is it, guys. I really hope you found this helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And remember, a good declutter is good for the mind and soul, and it makes you just feel good, and it's a great way to reset and start afresh. Thank you so much for watching, guys, as always, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter for more inspiration. Have a wonderful start to your weekend, guys. Enjoy the sun. I know I'm loving this warmer weather, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care. Bye.